Looking for extra advantage on your crypto trading? You can capitalize on our 5% off offer on Binance. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade that you make on Binance for life. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this wonderful offer. Welcome back to Make Money Online, the top channel to gain exclusive news about XRP and its market potential. Today, let's take a look at Ray Dalio's warning about an impending new tax system that might affect you as an investor. We'll also be looking at the latest XRP prediction according to chart technical analysis and price projections. If you're watching a video on this channel for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to leave a like on this video and hit the notification bell so you know every time we upload a new video on this channel. Delving into the video, the latest info from the crypto market is that of Ray Dalio's revelation of an impending tax system that would affect all stores of value and assets such as gold, Bitcoin, XRP, and other cryptocurrencies and tokens. How? Well, he mentioned instances such as the need of the government to high-standing individuals to meet financial needs, thus placing levels on transactions involving crypto assets. We all know how great an effect that massive movement or buying and trading of a crypto has on the specific crypto. The crypto market is often subject to spikes and volatility depending on injections and liquidations that happen within a single trading session. While the amount of trades may be minimal, a huge amount of XRP could be moved in just one transaction. Ray Dalio predicts the establishment of a taxing system that will prove to be a major restraining factor for XRP and other cryptocurrencies. Investors could be losing a bit of freedom as a result. If we get charged for every transaction, the organization or government that efficiently implements this policy could actually be earning money off crypto investors. And this becomes indiscriminate, as any transaction made from one part of the world to the other is not entirely excused from this rule. So what does this mean for you and I? We're looking at a form of setup of if you can't beat them, tax them. This might be another measure to regulate, but not necessarily stop the activities of the crypto industry. That is virtually impossible now, and we can see the regulators taking new dimensions to put a foot in the door against crypto. It's apparent that we'll never see the end of this kind of policy anytime soon. We should all prepare for it and remain focused. The addition of taxes and extra charges was part of what led the establishment of the crypto community to trump the cabal established to frustrate the finances of the common people. This is not a rally to war, but we should all be on guard. The rate of the taxes is undefined yet, but it could be high. We're also talking about taxing on regular mining operations as well. Something is coming for the entire crypto industry. With cryptos rising to overwhelm the fiat standards set in place, there is a power struggle ongoing between the crypto industry and the opposing parties. Do we think that XRP and other cryptos will come out on top? Yes, the major reason is that crypto movements are being driven by the masses. And it's a means by which people seem to be exercising their fundamental rights, and people are doing just that. It's been reported that many countries are taking considerable steps to regulate cryptocurrencies in their respective economies. While no new actions have been taken in terms of regulation for some time in most countries, this new wave of regulations pretty much seems like enforcement action. We don't doubt that regulators will take desperate measures to see that these policies come into the light. From what we can see, it's already in play in the United States. The perfect example is, of course, the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. The news keeps making headlines every day. In the last known report, the SEC openly declared that the personal financial details of Ripple chairman Chris Larsen and CEO Brett Garlinghouse, as at the time of the initial coin offering of XRP, be laid bare. This would provide clear evidence to prove that Ripple collected money for the sales of XRP, thereby acknowledging that it sold illegal securities. This is a funny development, as it could be deemed as conjecture if the court sees it in that light. It also shows that the SEC does not have any evidence to prove their claim, and thus they hope to force out evidence from the financial records of the two executives. Do they have the right to do this? Maybe and maybe not. It all depends on the decision of the presiding judge. Meanwhile, Ripple has pointed to a video where one of Ethereum's core executives openly admitted that the company carried out an initial coin offering for the ETH crypto. This is expected to put Ethereum in the same bracket as XRP. It's surprising that the SEC have declared Ethereum not a security and thus out of their jurisdiction. It is pretty illogical, and the SEC sure has a lot of explaining to do during the trials about how Ripple gets sued, while Ethereum walks free despite having the same case scenario. The SEC has, however, desisted from making any real comments on the references to Ethereum and still blindly pursue the case against Ripple. XRP, on the other hand, continues to stay aloof of the allegations, though the market has been quiet of late with the price making sideways movement due to random volatility. The price has risen to a level of around 47 cents on the intraday charts, but still remains pretty stationary on the weekly charts. We're looking forward to seeing some major changes on this chart if the price can at least make it to the resistance set at 50 cents. Possibly, the next few weeks may be powerful for XRP as we look at an increasing volume before XRP price hits the resistance at the 70 cents level. The upswing will confirm a breakout towards the pattern set over its November 2020 high. Since the beginning of the year, XRP's price has defined a potential triangle with clear resistance above 70 cents. The sellout that started out early this year also seems to have dropped off as XRP is gathering momentum. The current price action appears to be more of a consolidation process as XRP tries to free itself from the latest rapid moves price compression. A clear weekly close above 70 cents will be the first to tell that the consolidation process within the triangle is complete and will raise the odds that the currency resumes the rally up to $1 and beyond. Previously, the price failed to reach the resistance line set at 50 cents, and analysts think that it may drop back down to the support level at 43 cents. On the other hand, we should note that recently we've seen the price bouncing off the support line and have it go between the level and attempt to break out above the resistance line. Now the price is at a weekly high that used to serve as a support level when it went as high as 65 cents in February. In the case of a possible dip, we expect that the price will be able to bounce off the support level at 43 cents and start its upward movement. The price will pass through the resistance lines at 50 and at 65 cents. This will be good and profitable growth. In this chart, we're looking at the 4-hour time frame perspective, the recent events, and the established formational structure, and what we can expect in the coming time. XRP USD has managed to increase and show up with bullish price action to fully complete the wave count on the schedule, hitting the target at the peak of the wave E at 55 cents in the structure. We can see how XRP USD has finalized this main wave count, and within the wave E showed up with heavily exaggerated bullishness to the upside, testing the upper boundary. Now what's also good here is that XRP USD moved above the 200 EMA in red and above the 65 EMA in green, holding above these main reference points. Therefore, XRP USD has a good possibility given to stabilize above these levels and show up with further bullish increases. Therefore, it's necessary that XRP USD holds these levels further and doesn't fall below them, because this can invalidate the further bullishness ahead. Besides that, XRP USD needs to break out above the upper boundary of this channel to maintain further continuation. But we can see that XRP is still as functional as ever, stabilizing itself within the 41 to 49 cents range, testing support at 50. Analysts are divided on whether it will rise on an uptrend or break the support level and fall to a new support level at 35 cents before beginning a gradual steady rise back up to 50 cents. Taking all these factors into consideration, XRP has great potential to break above the upper boundary of the channel. If you're an XRP hodler, your heart is in the right place as we hope to see our much-loved XRP set the pace for other altcoins in the crypto market. If it beats off the SEC's challenge, it will become a sort of cult hero that will be worth looking up to by all. XRP's story and yours and mine will turn out to be an incredible one. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post new videos. And we'd love to know what you're looking forward to about XRP. Let us know in the comments below, and if you have any other suggestions as well, let us know in the comments. While you're here, check out one of our other previous videos. See you next time.
Hollywood car set. That's how it goes. Hollywood car set.